Yaheetech adjustable lift-top coffee table with hidden storage compartment for living room. Espresso lift-top design. The tabletop can be easily lifted up and forward to create a work surface. A high-quality mechanism enables the tabletop to be lifted up or lowered down effortlessly and noiselessly. With this versatile lift-top table, you don't need to lean forward so hard in order to use your laptop, write or dine on the table while relaxing on the couch. Space saver. A hidden compartment beneath the top is designed to store your often used items like magazines, laptop, chess, remote controllers, game controllers and so on, keeping them handy and dirt-free. Lower open shelf can hold blankets, snacks or knick-knacks. Solid and stable. This coffee table is made of high-quality P2 compliant MDF and metal mechanism. Solid and stable structure will not wobble and able to hold 68 kilograms / 150 pounds in total. Minimalist style. This modern and contemporary table is simple in shape and chic in color. You can perfectly compatible with your room style and decor. A practical and beautiful coffee table in small spaces works great in living room and office. Worry-free assembly. Comes with all necessary hardware and an illustrated instruction manual to help you set up this lift-top coffee table quickly and without difficulties. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.